In this video, I'm going to show you a proven trading strategy that beginners are using to make around hundreds of dollars per day on LBANK. This strategy is simple, powerful, and beginner friendly. And the best part is it works on any time frame, whether you're scalping, day trading, or swing trading. I'll break it down step by step and show you the exact indicators and settings I personally use, so make sure you watch until the end. Alright guys, step number 1, sign up for an exchange. For this strategy, we're going to be using LBANK. This is one of my main exchanges for derivatives trading, and they're offering some insane bonuses right now. If LBANK is not available in your country, you can use Toobit as an alternative. And the best part, Toobit requires no KYC verification for basic trading. I'll link both down below, but for this video, we'll be using LBANK. To sign up to LBANK and claim up to 50,000 USDT in total rewards, click the link at the top of the description. You'll be taken to the sign up page where you simply enter your details and create an account. Step 2 is depositing funds. Once you're logged into LBANK, then click deposit in the top right corner, then click deposit cryptocurrency. Choose the coin you want to deposit. I recommend USDT, and select the correct blockchain network. Make sure you choose the right network to avoid losing your funds. Confirm the details, then scan the QR code or copy the deposit address to transfer your funds from your wallet or another exchange. If you want to deposit using fiat currency, click Buy Crypto at the top of the menu, then select one-click buy. Choose your currency, enter the amount, and after that, select your payment method. Once your funds are deposited, it's time to open a position. Step number 3 is opening your first position. Click Futures in the top menu. This will take you to the trading interface. Choose the asset you want to trade in the upper left corner. For this example, I'll use BTC/USDT. Select your order type, limit or market. For beginners, I recommend starting with market orders for instant execution. Enter your trade details, such as quantity and price. Next, choose your leverage type. You can use cross margin or isolated margin. Personally, I use isolated margin because it limits your risk to only that specific position. You can adjust your leverage on LBANK, but for beginners, I recommend starting with 5 times to 10 times of leverage until you're comfortable. Confirm your order details, then click long or short to open your position. Once your order is filled, you can view it under the Positions tab at the bottom of the screen. Now that you know how to use derivatives on LBANK, let's move on to the actual strategy that can make you $100 per day. With this strategy, we're going to use the MACD indicator on TradingView. So let's take a quick look at that. Head over to TradingView. I'll have the link in the description if you need it. Once you're on TradingView, search for the crypto pair you're trading. For this example, I'll use Bitcoin USDT. Now, the key thing to keep in mind is that the MACD allows you to identify trends in the market. This means that you can see whether prices are going up or down and make informed decisions about when to enter or exit a trade. With a little bit of practice, you can use the MACD to make some serious profits by trading crypto. And if you're following along with LBANK using my link, you're already setting yourself up for success with those bonuses. Let me show you now how to use the MACD. All you need to do is go to indicators at the top of TradingView and type in MACD. Simple as that. You'll see 2 lines, orange and blue, and across the bottom, a histogram. The histogram can flip negative or positive, and that's the easiest way to understand it. Let's keep it simple. Whenever the orange line crosses above the blue line, it's a signal to enter a short position. When the blue line crosses over the orange line, it's a cue to go long. Check out this spot here. When the lines cross bearishly, you could have made a great profit by entering a short position. Just look for a MACD bearish cross, indicated by the orange line going above the blue line, and a flip to bearish on the histogram along with red candlesticks. Once you spot these indicators, it's time to enter the trade. You could have made a good profit with this MACD strategy. Now I'm going to tell you about a potential long position. Check out this MACD chart. The blue line is directly above the orange line and the histogram has turned green. That's a positive bullish sign, so it's a perfect time to make your trade. you need to set a stop loss or wait until you see a bearish cross on the MACD to exit. You can spot the bearish cross on the chart and just let it run until you make your profits. And let me tell you also about another scenario. You've got a positive cross right over here. You can see that the MACD was showing a bearish trend, but don't worry, you have a cross right over here that indicates it's the right time to enter a long position when the blue line climbs above the orange line. Now you can wait to make some profits. Start by entering your position and setting a stop loss. This is just one of the many excellent ways you can make profits by trading cryptos. And remember, if you haven't signed up to LBANK yet using my link in the description, you're missing out on those rewards that can give your trading account a serious boost from the start. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and press the notification bell if you like these videos. And if you want more details on how LBANK works, or if you want to check out the full walkthrough on Toobit, as the non-KYC alternative, check out the videos popping on screen right now. I'll see you guys in the next one.